today. I am, and I hope that you are being blessed in every aspect of your life. God is so good, and he deserves to be praised. Y'all, we are going to make a beautiful mirror today. We are going to be using our mirror tiles. Y'all, a lot of people say that these tiles are expensive, and they can be. But the fact that you get so many different DIYs with them, I think it's worth the money. And plus, they can be reused. You see me reusing them all the time. So we're going to use this mirror that I got from Michael's, and this foam board, and all I did was cut it out in a circle, spray painted it silver. I was so upset because I did not have any tape, so I had to use some the glue gun for it. So y'all, all we're gonna do is place our mirror as much of in the center as possible. Y'all know I am not good at doing none of that, like placing it like perfectly. And yes, y'all, everything that I'm using is from a previous DIY. You know, I take stuff off and I reuse it. But we're just gonna go ahead and put this glue on here, and then we're gonna place the mirror in the middle of the foam board. Now, understand that I might not be perfectly centered, but that's okay, because in the end, it's not going to really matter. Y'all, I had to get my little Diet Coke. At this point in my life, everything needs to be diet. Even my toothpaste, like, seriously. But I got to have my Diet Coke, y'all. So, I'm centering it as much as I possibly can. And once I center it, we're going to take some of these tiles and we're going to go ahead and design the mirror. Place the tile on the mirror like how we want it to be. Now let me just say that, of course, it's not going to be perfect because these are not cut to fit. So basically what you'll have to do is try to improvise. That's why I painted the background silver, so we can get away with a little, you know, camouflage or whatever. But when it's on your wall, you won't be able to tell much. So let's go ahead and place these where we need to place them. So I finished putting the tile on here, and I'm just cutting around the edges. You can use a X-Acto knife for this, but I have no clue as to where my X-Acto knife is, so I'm improvising. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up, and then I'm gonna use some command strips to adhere to the back so I can hang it. A lot of people ask me about the command strips, so that's what I use. I think it's like 16 pounds, and I use about 4 or 5 on the back, just to get, you know, that security, make sure it doesn't fall off the wall. So I've never had a problem with anything falling off the wall when I use the command strips, because I used to use the liquid nails, and y'all know that's messy. I didn't know any better. That was years ago, but I use command strips, and it pretty much does the trick. So y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up, and then we're gonna hang it on the wall so we can get the full effect of how it looks. Okay y'all, so I decided to show you all what I actually use, and this is the command strips, the 16 pound. I used the value pack. It's at Walmart, and I think it costs about $8 or $9 for it. I use about 4 to 5 strips on the back of something like this, because the more mirror or the more tile you add, it does get heavier. So y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and just hang this and show you all in just a second. Glam fam, so here is our gorgeous mirror. Y'all, it turned out so beautiful. I am so proud of this one. This is gonna go in my bedroom. I made 2. I'm going to do my bedroom makeover reveal on next week, so I hope you all stay tuned for that. But you know what to do if you like these DIYs. You like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs.